Ayan, ready ka na ba maglaro? Opo, ayan, Kuya Gabriel, in 3, 2. Ayan, there, number 2, ganun pa rin ang dalawang dribble. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. Kantag.
Yes.
Pasa kay player number 3. Let's go! Player number 3, dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. At ipasa kay player number 4.
4? Ayan, go Pastor! Kaya natin yan.
Palaban niya si Pastor. Alam ko kaya niya. And Pastor, dribble the ball.
Laging handa to si Pastor.
Spaghetti. Ayan, 8-8. Kaya na yun, okay na yun, Pastor. Tuldok. At ipasa kay player number 5. Ayan.
Wala.
Bawal na mami na interview ka na.
Yes, official candidate.
Ayan, let's go. Player number 5, dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. At ipasa kay player number 1. Ayan. Okay, player number 1, mag-stay na tayo dyan. Kapag sinabi namin na ipasa kay player number, doong number nyo siya ipapasa.
Yes.
Okay po? At kapag narinig nyo sinabi
itong game natin, sana po walang magrarampa.
Ayan, walang magrarampa. Let's go! Dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. Ipasa kay player number 4. Dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. Ipasa kay player number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. Ipasa kay player number 3. Number 3, dribble the ball. Spaghetti. Pababa. Dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. Ipasa kay player number 5. Number 5, dribble the ball. Spaghetti. Pababa. 8-8. Tuldok. Ipasa kay player number 1. Number 1, dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. Ipasa kay player number 5. Number 5, ipasa kay player number 2. Number 2 to number 3. Number 3 to number 4. Number 4, dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. Ipasa kay player number 1. Number 2 to number 4. Number 4, ipasa kay player number 4. Number 4, dribble the ball. Spaghetti. 8-8. Tuldok. Ipasa kay player number 5. Number 5 to number 1. Number 1, number 3. Number 3, number 2. Number 1, shoot the balloon. Ayan, mukhang alam ko kung sino ang nanalo. Ayan, Team Boys, you are the winner. Ayan, Team Boys, lapit tayo kay Kuya G para i-claim ang ating prize. And Team Girls, dito lang tayo sa harap. Okay, thank you so much, Team Boys. And Team Girls, pila tayo.
Okay, Team Girls.
Basta ng Lizares Idol. Bottle, Tumayo ka lang, huwag kang mahihiya. Sige, subukan mo, baka may makala. Walang mawawala, kapag magtsatsaga. Kung gustong gusto mo, sundan mo lang ako.
3, 2, 1.
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Hindi kami ba to?
Okay, bigyan natin ng space si Happy and si Grimace. Dahil baka mamaya mabunggong kayo kapag nagtagin sila ng sayawan. Happy and Grimace, ready na ba kayong sumayaw?
Ayan, ready na sila partner.
Ayan kids, ready na ba kayo makita silang sumayaw? Okay, palakpakan naman natin sila Happy and si Grimace and Mommy and Daddy together with our birthday celebrant and kanyang kuya.
Daddy and si baby together with her brother. Okay, sit down na. Ayan, dali. Ayan. Happy o usot. Ayan.
Okay, tingin sa camera.
Okay, kids, ready? 3, 2, 1, smile! Ayan, one more. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, very good.
McDonald's heart,
McDonald's heart.
Paano ba yun?
Ayan, McDonald's heart. Ayan. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ayan. Okay, lahat naman po ng relatives ni Mommy. Okay, relatives naman po ni Mommy. Muna. Okay, listen kids, maupo na po. Ayan. Okay, lahat naman po ng relatives si Mommy.
Sa sumama dito sa harap para kantahan si Baby Alice sa happy birthday. Ayan, punta tayo sa harap. Let's go kids! Okay, kakanta tayo ng happy birthday. Sa mga ninang po at tinaw ni Baby Alice, punta tayo sa harap.
The happy birthday song.
Happy birthday, Baby Alice. You may now blow your candle. Ayan, once again, palakpakan naman natin si Baby Alice. Ayan, Mommy and Daddy. Do you have any message for our birthday celebrant and of course to our guests?
Boy! Ngayong hapon na to, no? Lahat sana ay nakapag-enjoy. Kami nagpapasalamat ulit na kayo ay napunta sa celebration ng aming anak. Salamat sa mga ninong at ninang, sa family ko, sa family ni Ben, na tumulong rin naman para maisakatuparan yung aming birthday celebration ngayon. Thank you po sa lahat.
Ayan, Daddy, any message? Happy days.
Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta. Sana nag-enjoy kayong lahat. At mag-ingat sa pag-uwi.
Ayan, any wish?
Yung wish ko kay Elise. Dalawa! Kasi siya na mabuting bata, mabait. Lalo-lalo na dapat may takot siya sa Diyos.
Dapat pala ito ginamit mo nun. 1, 2, 3. Walang balik na tayo. Okay naman. Garis din po. Kayaan mo nga siya. Sasa. Calix, dance! Dance, Calix! Ano ang Calix? Matambado na si Calix. Ano?
Dapat siraan yun lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. I'm very happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Today is very good, good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. I'm very happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Today is very good, good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is